What a great day. Anyways. Ooh la la. Look at that. The new poster. Wait. DonaldSonic, you have a crossover. And you love it. I wanted to know what I feel like. Man, it's gonna be so great. I'm just relax, enjoy my day. Man, it's so chilly. It's so cold. Whatever, dude. It's so fucking cold, dude. Really? I gotta say, nothing happened, right? No, not happened, dude. Not really. No. I gotta see ya. Here, use the tape and just go surround yourself. Or use this because this could help you. It could cover you. Wait, let me just. Much better. Do? Yeah? Are you inside? Yeah, I'm inside. Never mind. So, what the worst bell? Really? I gotta say. I know. We got a phone, dude. Anyways. Never mind. Anyways. We'll see where your side's gonna be. What happened outside? Outside it's gonna be cold. I don't wanna wear a sweatpants. Why? I'm the duck! Duck? Oh yeah, you damn it. You definitely know I'm the duck. Everybody duck know that I don't wanna wear a sweatpants. I hate it. So why not? What? Dude, are you serious? Why not? I'm gonna say, what the hell are we gonna go outside for on a freaking cold day? Maybe I could do it. I could do it. Believe me, guy, I know what to do. But dude, this is impossible. Oh wait, the camera's blurry. There we go. Anyway, what you say? But dude, this is the worst. You can't do like that. Dude, come on, it's just like the cold day on an imaginary line. The imaginary line? You mean a creature? Yeah. You okay, Dick? Sorry, I'm sorry, dude. I know how you feel, I know how it works, but don't worry, I got this. Anyways, you hate Moby Dick, right? I mean, you said Dick, right? Yeah, Moby Dick is a book? Dude, let's just go outside. Fine. You are on Bumpy Head. Bumpy Head? Yeah, I mean, never mind. No. We should go outside now. Yeah. Oh, God. Junior, be back, okay? Behave. Hi, Dad. Hi. Let's go outside. Alright. What the? Oh, wait. There we go. Hello? Whoa, God damn it, it's cold. I know, right? Man, why is it so chilly outside? That's October, dude. Look at that. What the hell? Man, it is getting cold. I guess almost a November come. No, don't tell me it's gonna be cold now. I love the hot weather in October. Why? Dude, it's the worst. It's like 61 degrees, but now it's gonna be 58. Oh God, I feel worse now. Why do you worse? I don't know. By the way, I gotta say, who can? Oh my God! I do know how I feel. I do know. Yeah, tell me about it's cold. We had found something. Dude, that wood. What is that wood is about? Can I break it? Sure, why not? God damn it, it's chilly now. Hey, oh God, it's the branch. How are you supposed to do that? I don't know. Anyways. Yes, no. Oh, fuck. Okay, the reason why we're stuck, we don't know what we're gonna do. There's some fuck off. Okay, dude. What? We stuck. Like, nah. The knuckle training for his yoga video? What yoga video? Knuckle training for yoga video, dude? I don't know why. No, dude, go now! Oh man, what the dude? Yeah? Because we had to be careful of the grass. Oh my god, it looks like a jungle now. Jesus Christ, someone don't have to cut the grass. I know, right? I know, right? Yeah. Oh, look, the beautiful sun. Alright. Ah, no, we don't. We go around, really? Man, I can't believe we really walk under the most dangerous plant in the world. The wheat. Wheat? Yeah, it didn't cut since summer. Huh, I no wonder. So, dude. Something will happen. Look like an earthquake on the yard. Backyard? Yeah. Oh, damn. It looked like a bandit's place. A bandit place? Yeah. Oh my god, what the hell have we done? Dude, it looked like apocalypse. Yeah. Apocalypse? This has gotten worse on October. What happened in October? You know what October is. What happened this year? But, not really. They're gone. Oh, look at that. Love it. I freaking love it, dude. Anyways, now I'm gonna do is just relax, enjoy, and dude, you should crack attack. My crack down? Yeah. Dude, what is that? It's spider. It's just a fake spider. The fake spider? Oh my god. I thought the spider was gonna kill me. I was scared. Dude, come on. Halloween's almost there. Halloween spirit. Dude, you're a fucking genius. What? Because guess what, dude? Until Halloween come on early in the morning, we are doing some Halloween spooky series. No way, dude. Yes, wait, dude. Oh my god. We're going to some best part in the world. Believe me, I'll be okay. And now, I'm for disturbing. Jesus Christ, why is someone in our home? I don't know, dude. Oh man. Yeah! Oh, man, look at this dude. Oh, no. Oh. Look at the top to the head. Oh. Look at the face. Look at the eye, dude. What are you doing? I do it like the meme guy. The meme? Like the guy who tell about faces? Yeah. Man. We might take out the AC, probably it's colder now. But not, oh yeah, we need to check the temperature, what the weather's gonna be, and what the temperature gonna be. I'm just playing with a stick, like the pom-pom. The pom-pom? Yeah, the pom-pom, but anyways, not that. Golly. I gotta say, when the holidays come in, everything's gonna be changed, dude. Everything's gonna be changed. I love this gonna be big. Dude, that's a good idea. Everything's gonna change. Yeah, we can take that. I guess how it ended now. So, thank you guys for watching. And we back because we have the phone now. The phone has been forgotten for the bus. And thank you guys for watching. And now I'm telling AC, why am I such a bitch? I'm such an idiot. Just end the video now.